Considering a St. Louis bathroom renovation, it's one of the smartest home upgrades you can make because a professional remodel here can add up to $19,000 to your home's value. The return on investment for this project in St. Louis often beats the national average. Beyond the cash, a stunning new bathroom is a major selling point for any home on the market. So how do you secure that high ROI? We'll show you the pro advantage, the hidden risks, and the latest St. Louis trends. First, let's cover why hiring a professional is the foundation of a successful remodel. Pros deliver high-quality workmanship with superior materials. This means a renovation that lasts, preventing future costly repairs. They also manage the whole project efficiently on a strict timeline. You get less disruption and a faster path to your new space. A huge benefit is budget control. A pro gives accurate estimates and manages costs, keeping your project on track financially. And some good news for St. Louis. Professional labor costs here are frequently slightly below the national average. A professional saves you time, money, and stress. But what about the things you can't see? There's a hidden layer most people miss. This is where pro knowledge is vital, handling local building codes and permits. This is about safety and legality. In St. Louis, changing the structure, plumbing, or electrical systems requires a permit to ensure the work is done to code. Licensed contractors understand this process completely. They know what to file, which inspections are mandatory, and how to work with city officials. The permit fee itself is small, often under $200. The real cost is in mistakes. A professional's expertise makes this process smooth. Managing permits isn't an add-on service. It's a fundamental part of a pro's job, taking the regulatory burden completely off of you. But what if you or an unlicensed contractor skip the permits? The consequences are severe. We will revisit this shortly. Now for the design possibilities. St. Louis trends favor clean, minimalist, spa-inspired bathrooms with neutral color palettes. Technology is popular too. Smart toilets, mirrors with displays, and touchless faucets for convenience and hygiene. Sustainability is in demand with materials like reclaimed wood and recycled tiles, plus fixtures that lower your utility bills. For long-term living, pros can integrate accessibility features like walk-in showers and grab bars that are both safe and stylish. These amazing results are possible with the right partner. But cutting corners leads to major problems. Back to that permit question. We asked what happens if you skip permits. The answer: you could face daily city fines and a complete stop work order on your project. Worse, officials can force you to demolish unapproved work at your cost. It also creates massive issues when you try to sell your home. And if a leak or fire happens, your insurance can deny the claim. This is why a licensed insured pro is your protection. But not all contractors are the same. The biggest mistake homeowners make is choosing a contractor based only on the lowest bid. So how do you choose wisely? Verify their license and insurance. Check their reviews and references, and always get a detailed written contract. Let's connect the pieces. We began with that impressive 70% ROI in St. Louis. That number is the direct result of professional quality. We also covered the serious risks of unpermitted work. A pro's management of regulations protects the very value you're building. Even smart cost-saving tactics, like keeping your layout, are best planned with an expert to maintain quality and value. The main insight is this: the benefits of higher value, better function, and great design are all achieved through professional expertise. A professional bathroom remodel in St. Louis is more than a home improvement project. It's a strategic financial investment. Hiring a qualified contractor isn't an expense. It's the method that secures a high return, legal compliance, and a lasting result. They provide design knowledge, project management, quality craftsmanship, and critical understanding of all local regulations. Ready to improve your space and make a smart investment? Research and choose a trusted St. Louis professional to begin your project.